To utilize the new memory, save, and transfer features on the Dynasty Welders, you'll begin by setting up your welding process. Now that your welding program is set up, you'll press the blue Programs button located at the bottom right of the user interface. Using the control knob, scroll and select Save. There are 99 memory fields that can be created, so you can select any field to save your program. Select using the control knob and then customize the name to something meaningful, such as an application description, job number, or WPS number. To save the program, there are two options. First, use the center soft key labeled Save, or use the control knob and navigate to the Save button on screen. On-screen verification will be displayed, and then your customized program will appear in the memory recall list. If you're saving multiple programs, navigate back by selecting the Home button. Simply repeat the previous steps for every additional program. To access all saved programs, press the Program button and select Recall. All saved programs will show both location number and the user input name. To verify which saved program is being used, the customized name will be displayed on the top of the user interface in the blue bar. If you're in a shop or facility that has multiple welders, you can utilize a USB to transfer programs from welder to welder to ensure consistency, help reduce quality issues, and maximize throughput. For more information on the Miller Dynasty, visit millerwelds.com/dynasty.